Shenzhen AI OPC Digital Communication Company Limited was founded in 2004 and is specialized in display devices with interactive intelligent capabilities. We provide top-tier solutions for global customers using integrated systems for interactive devices. Our clients include McDonald's, PetroChina, Bank of China, China Telecom, etc. Our major products involve all-in-one PC, touch all-in-one machine, media player machine, mirror ads player, KIOSK machines, touch POS machine, and intelligent interactive devices, etc. Our annual production capacity for the various interactive devices can reach 486,000 units. As a certified high-tech enterprise, AIOPC Digital Communication Company Limited has excellent capabilities in R&D and production operations, allowing us to be a one-stop shop for our customers. Currently, we have 2 manufacturing centers located in Dongguan and Shenzhen, respectively. Each facility enables us to leverage the local supply chain advantages in each respective region, better allowing us to meet demands from global buyers. At the same time, AIOPC Digital Communication Company Limited stays abreast of industry-leading technology and innovation developments, while allocating appropriate investments to continuously advance our automation production systems. With a combination of the advanced intelligent manufacturing management system and a highly scientific approach, we are able to guarantee the highest quality and consistency. On top of the most stringent requirements for our products, we always keep an eye on every detail, such as the opportunities for collaboration with supply chain partners, reliable global logistics providers, and top-quality consumables suppliers. Due to our every effort, AIOPC Digital Communication Company Limited has been able to supply our clients with high-value and cost-effective products, which has helped us build a sterling reputation with our customers. In future, with the proliferation of 5G networks and the industrial Internet of Things, the demands of intelligent interactive devices are expected to skyrocket. AIOPC Digital Communication Company Limited will maintain consistent endeavor to create more value for the global customers. AIOPC Digital Communication Company Limited, manufacturer of all-in-one intelligent display devices.